Kate Middleton posed alongside a children's hospital doctors in a previously unseen picture from her surprise visit to Evelina London during the Jubilee weekend. The Duchess, 40, has been patron of the London Hospital, which specialises in providing life-changing treatment for children with rare and complex conditions, since 2018. She has been snapped visiting on multiple occasions since then, visiting patients and staff, and raising the profile of the hospital. In the snap, which was shared by the hospital on Twitter, the royal can be seen wearing a £250 bright red LK Bennett dress as she put her arm around one of the doctors. Sharing the image, the Evelina London Twitter account posted, "Our royal patron, HRH the Duchess of Cambridge, made a surprise visit to Evelina London over the bank holiday weekend. During the visit, the Duchess met with those unable to join in with celebrations to mark the Platinum Jubilee for Her Majesty the Queen. Her visit was particularly low-key. The Duchess, who just hours earlier had joined senior royals at the Queen's service of Thanksgiving at St. Paul's Cathedral, spent time speaking to the young patients and their loved ones during the unexpected appearance. According to the hospital's website, the Duchess was greeted by delighted staff and families at the Pediatric Intensive Care Unit (PICU) and Sky Cardiology Ward. Janet Powell, Director of Nursing, said, "We were thrilled to welcome Her Royal Highness to the Children's Hospital. Our colleagues, children and families, were so delighted to meet the Duchess and mark the Queen's Platinum Jubilee. Our play specialists with the children had been working hard in the run-up to the celebrations to decorate all our wards, and our teams loved showing the Duchess the artwork, bunting and displays." News of Kate's visit first emerged over the Jubilee weekend, with the Children's Hospital announcing her visit on the Evelina London Twitter account. The post read, "We received a very special surprise last night. Our patron, HRH the Duchess of Cambridge, dropped in for a private visit to meet our patients, families and staff unable to join in the celebrations this weekend. Luckily the hospital was already decked with Platinum Jubilee decorations made by some of the children and young people we are caring for. Thank you YRH, Your Royal Highness, for thinking of us." The post was shared alongside two photographs of the Duchess of Cambridge meeting one family by a child's bedside. Also shared were images of some of the Platinum Jubilee decorations decking the wards, which had been made by the patients. Among them were strings of homemade paper bunting, featuring flags illustrated with pictures of the Queen's Guards and other royal imagery. Another photograph showed a large paper crown decoration, stuck above a large paper sign which featured the number 70, in reference to Her Majesty's 7-decade reign. The unseen photograph emerged today as she prepares to host a round-table discussion on the importance of early childhood development and its links to mental health with senior government ministers. The mother of three is due to arrive at the Royal Institution in London later this morning, where she is due to meet with Health Secretary Sajid Javid, Families Minister Will Quince, representatives from the early years sector and officials from the Department for Education and the Department of Health and Social Care. The roundtable discussion will focus on forthcoming research led by the Centre into Early Childhood Development, as well as new findings that show 91% agree that early years are important to shaping a child's life. The Duchess has championed the cause since she joined the royal family and was a driving force behind a landmark study on perceptions of early childhood and its societal impact in 2020.